Research is broken. 403 errors. Chaos. Endless tabs crushing your ML workflow. But what if one system could orchestrate your entire research process autonomously? Meet ResearchForge, an AI multi-agent system powered by Google's ADK and Model Context Protocol. At its core, an orchestrator agent coordinates 4 specialized agents. The MCP client connects directly to live data sources like Kaggle. Watch this. I'm searching for GNN datasets for molecular prediction. The system streams real-time metadata, filtering and processing automatically. While the summarizer condenses raw data into clean insights, the fact-checker verifies every claim with citations. MemoMate stores your research preferences, building long-term memory. Full observability means every tool call, token usage, and confidence score is tracked. The result? A complete research package with verified data and runnable code. Tool trajectory, 100%. Factuality, verified. ResearchForge, your autonomous research analyst that turns chaos into clarity.